Hey guys, it's Clara, and today I'll be showing you the biggest new features coming up in Hytale Update 5. Firstly, there's a bunch of new social features coming up. There'll be a friends list, a server browser, a Discord integration, new emotes, a new music tracks, and a preview system. Players can now preview structures before placing them, making building much more convenient. One of the most exciting additions is trigger volumes, a powerful automation tool that allows creators to open doors automatically, trigger custom sounds and visual effects, create puzzles and adventure maps, spawn mobs and events, build moving obstacles and parkour challenges, and control environmental effects. This feature opens up huge possibilities for map makers, modders, and server owners. Next up, there's been a new server browser added. The new server browser allows players to browse community servers directly in-game, filter servers by category, join servers with a single click, and automatically download required assets when connecting. There'll be no manual mod installation required, making multiplayer more accessible than ever. But yeah, which of these features are you most looking forward to? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.